Hey guys, welcome back. I am here in my kitchen again. I am gonna make some turkey tacos today. So Tori and I made this turkey taco recipe this weekend and it was delicious, and we just already went through all of our turkey meat. So I'm gonna do it again for you guys. It's pretty straightforward. I'm sure you guys have done this before, but this recipe is so delicious. Like, it's so flavorful and so spicy. I wanted to share it with you guys, and it's super healthy. So follow along and let me know what you think. Tori's hungry and he's distracting me right now. So we're gonna try and make this as quickly as possible. Good thing is, it is pretty quick. So here are the ingredients that we need. We need lots of spices. Hopefully you guys have, these are pretty like standard household spices. I'll take you through the ingredient list. Here we go. Oh, and don't forget, however you guys want to cook it at the end or prepare it at the end, this is just a recipe for the turkey meat. So you can throw it in a tortilla. These are like my favorite tortillas. Tori likes the little corn tortillas. The cheese on there, a little bit of avocado, salsa, however you guys want to dress it up. You could also put it in lettuce cups to make it a little bit more low carb. You could mix it in with some brown rice or white rice. You could mix it into a turkey taco salad. The options are limitless. So the first step is just combining all of the spices together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. This should only take a few minutes. Are nicely mixed up and ready to go. We're gonna put that off to the side. We're gonna grab our turkey taco meat and we're gonna brown it first. We just wanna make sure that all the pink gets out of it. Once that happens, then we're gonna go ahead and add the spices, the water, the sugar, and the apple cider. I would recommend using like a 97% lean. We actually got one with a little bit more fat in it. It's got 94% lean. As you go leaner and leaner, you're gonna lose some of the moisture in the turkey. So just keep that in mind. It's really your own personal preference, but this recipe will work with whichever route you choose. Okay, so now that the chicken is nice and brown, I'm gonna throw in these spices. I'm gonna turn down the heat just a little bit and then also add in my water. And sprinkle it in. Set a timer and we're gonna let this meat simmer with all the spices and the water until all the water, most of the water has evaporated. It's gonna be about 10 minutes. Okay, and now everything is fully cooked. So I am going to add in this apple cider vinegar. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of this. So we'll just throw that guy right in the pan. And then finally, we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of this brown sugar. This is the only thing in the recipe that is not like clean, but 1.5 teaspoons in the whole thing of turkey is really not that bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna let the rest of that simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're ready to eat. If you guys are gonna throw these in a tortilla, one thing that I really recommend that you do, don't heat these up in a microwave. throw them on a pan for a couple minutes, like 1 minute on each side, and let them get nice and warm and puffed up on the pan so they stay nice and fresh and tasty. I'm gonna eat mine like a normal taco with a little bit of cheese. Again, there's lots of different ways you can make this a little healthier. You can put it in a lettuce cup. Me and the baby, we want a tortilla with a little cheese right now. So that's what we're gonna have. Definitely gonna have two. All right, that's it, you guys. Let me know how you liked it. My mom would be mad at me. I should chew my food before I talk. Are you ready for this?
Let's see. Throw a little cheese on this junk here.
Tell me what you think.
Throw a little cheese. Let's see where we're at.
Oh, you're so good.
Let's see where we're at. You should always wet the palate before you put it in.
Oh,
Such bulk flavor.
Is that so, huh?
Indeed.
It's pretty delicious, right?
Some real shit right there.
It's so flavorful.
Wow. That is delicious, babe.
I know. It's easy.
You're amazing.
I know.
That's delicious. Why not?